What's up, everybody? Today's video is entitled Nature with Nathan. Today's date is August the 9th, 2024 at 12:34. Today's video is just a video with Nathan in nature. I don't have a specific topic, but the scenery is great out here. Look at everything in nature. Health and fitness is something that Nathan tries to do a lot, but for now, Nathan is focused on healing his leg because Nathan does not like to go to the hospital. I just try to do some type of, homeopathic thing, to cure natural home remedies. And look at the scenery. This is what I found today. This was a discovery when I was, foraging. It is, I don't know, maybe it's a crystal. It looks great. Uh, I guess I'll just mosey on over here and see what we have. It looks like someone has cut down a tree. Looks great. That's just about it, I guess. I don't know. Let's look over here. That was some good work. No. It's getting hot out here. That's enough camping for me today. I was gonna turn it off. I might as well just keep the camera on. That's a nice tree. I think it's a pine tree. Yeah, I need the name of it. The correct name. I don't know. God.